Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston and we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Bournemouth Beach Club. Now, we had done a video earlier but the location that we had shown was not the right location. But this is where they are going to be building the beach club. It's right on the Kingston waterfront or right by the Kingston Harbour. They are going to have a spectacular view when this project is finished. All right, so we're going to give you an update as to what's happening out here. Now they have another massive project in the works for the Kingston waterfront. It's going to be on 3 acres and it's going to be another 10-floor building. That's the Kingston 2 apartments or the K2 apartments right on the waterfront. It is actually across the road. This development is actually going to be on the waterfront. And this one is called Bournemouth Beach Condominiums. Bournemouth Beach Condominiums and Offices. And this is going to be a mixed-use development situated on a 3 acre plot of waterfront land in downtown Kingston. Now the waterfront in downtown Kingston is some of the best real estate you can find in Jamaica. Over by Ocean Boulevard, you have numerous buildings on the waterfront, but this side of the waterfront is relatively undeveloped. That building that we just saw, the K2 apartments, is the first mega development taking place on this side. On the other side, you have the Bank of Jamaica, you have the new Ministry of Foreign Affairs, you have the Scotia Center, you have the UDC condominiums, you have Digicel, you have that hotel. What's the name of that hotel? ROK, and then you have that plaza setup. So that side is very developed. Now this side is just starting to be developed. So that building we're looking at is 10 floors and it's residential. And this development, the beach condominiums, it's going to be 10 floors as well. The main tower, it's going to have 2 towers. It's going to be 10 floors and it's going to include 1, 2, and 3 bedroom condos, all looking out to the Caribbean Sea. And this location is 5 minutes from the downtown business district and 10 minutes from the Norman Manley International Airport. And it's also going to have offices. So the taller building will be 10 floors, it's going to be the residences. And then the smaller building, which is going to be 4 floors, is going to be the offices. So we're just going to go through an update and give you more information on what's happening here. Bournemouth Beach Condominiums and Offices. This mixed-use development feeds off the energy which is coming back to downtown Kingston. Situated on a 3-acre plot of waterfront land in downtown Kingston, this development offers a 1, 2, and 3 bedroom condos, all looking out to the Caribbean Sea, 5 minutes from the downtown business district and 10 minutes from the Norman Manley International Airport. They undertook extensive planning and design to ensure that the residential and commercial spaces can not only coexist but enhance one another. On the ground floor, there are commercial units set aside for bars and restaurants, which will spill out into the landscaped gardens and courtyards, creating a place to gather and enjoy Kingston's waterfront. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think about this development. Unfortunately, we can't show you the diagrams because of copyright, but it's a spectacular building. And it's going to add to the skyline in downtown Kingston. When you like going out to the airport and you're on Palisadoes and you look across the Kingston Harbor at all those mega developments, all those high-rise buildings, the skyline of Kingston is definitely changing, especially downtown Kingston. We will make a video and show you that view that we're talking about. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys.